Hi all. In this video, we'll discuss about sets. So sets are basically custom fields. That is, they are subset of data which is created based on some conditions. So if we have to differentiate few outputs on our graph, we can create sets out of them. You will understand it in detail when we'll be going on practical. So without much ado, let's move to our Tableau workbook. So here's our Tableau workbook. Over here we have plotted the profit generated with each region of the United States. So the states giving highest profit are the western states and the eastern. So these two regions, west and east, they are generating the highest profits, and these two, central and south, they are generating the lowest profits. Now if we wish to create a set, so one method is we can simply select these two like this, and over here we get an option. I'll have to place my mouse over here for a second or two, and then I get an option to create a set. I go over here, and now I would like to create a set which contains region south and west, and I'm doing okay. Now what happens is I have got this sets created for me. So as of now, everything is okay. But if I would like to color these regions of profits using my sets, I can simply paste this sets on the colors. So these colors here say that these two regions, south and west, they are within my set. That's why they are represented by blue color. And these two regions, central and east, they are outside of my set. That's why they are represented by using gray color. Now this was one method of creating a set. Another method of creating a set is we'll directly go to this place. We'll directly go to this field of region, and over there we'll directly create a set. So over here, when I'll select this region, in create I get an option to create a calculated field, group, parameter, or a set. I'll go and create a set. Now over here I am saying that I would like to place east and west in one set and create OK. So it will create a set named set2 for me. Let's see. So now I again have a new set which is known as set 2. Now if I would like to color these regions with profit using set 2, I can simply, I'll remove this set from here, and I'll simply place this set 2 on the colors. To place it and drop it on the colors. So now you see the states east and west, the ones which are generating highest profits, are within my set, which is set 2, and the states out of my set are south and central. Now this was an easy implementation of sets. Now in case we have got a variety of products, and we have got their profits, and we would like to create a set of the products which are giving me the highest profit as compared to the other ones. So in that cases, creating sets is much useful when our data sets to be represented on the graphs are huge. So the sets help us differentiate the values easily. So instead of region, if I use subcategory over here like this and remove this sets, so over here I see that the based on profit and categories, if I see, there are some products which are giving me negative, which are generating negative profits for me, and rest all are creating positive profits. Now, if I would like to separate out the products which are generating highest profits for me as compared to the other ones, I can simply go to the subcategory over here, go to create, go to sets. Now I can create a custom set. I can create a condition. So if I would like to do it by field, I can simply consider that in the profit field, for the sum, please show me the values which are greater than or equal to something. So I would like to say that all the values which are greater than 0 should be over here in my set 3. Now if I would like to check my condition, I can simply press load over here. Since null values are populated, means my condition is incorrect. So I will have to change the condition to supposedly say less. So what do you think the values will be? Again, the values are no. So instead of sum, I would have to change something like average. So I think for this field, using condition is not appropriate. So we'll go to the top part. Now over here, I would like to see the bottom five ones. The bottom five ones are the ones which are giving me negative profits, and I would like to place them on set 3. So let's see what happens. Now I'll color these plots. I'll color these graphs with the set 3 of mine. So what I see over here, so when I place my set 3 on the colors, what I see over here is the subcategories which are there in my set are these three ones, okay, which were giving me negative profits, and rest all of them are out of my set, means all of them are generating positive revenues for me. So in this way, sets can help us differentiate our data points in the visualization. If in case we want to show the ones which are giving us negative profit and the ones which are giving us positive profits. So in this way, we can differentiate and we can color them separately based on the sets. So I think sets are clear to you. Now let's move to our next topic. So next we'll see filters. So basically in Tableau, we have got multiple filters and we'll be checking them out today. So if I talk about the definition, filter is basically restricting the unwanted data. So out of the immense data I have, if I wish to filter out only a few data values based on some condition, then I'll use filters. So the various kind of filters available in Tableau are extract filters, data source filters, context filters, dimension filters, measure filters, and quick filters with date filters. And once we have done all these filters, we'll check how to format out these filters. So without much ado, let's move to the filters directly.